This is why you need to stay until the end. You need to hear this if you're a diving fanatic. Let's unveil a hidden gem. Fernando de Noronha, a slice of heaven off the coast of Brazil, is the ultimate diving destination in South America. Picture this: crystal clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and a kaleidoscope of marine life that'll leave you in awe. Every dive here is like swimming in an aquarium, but better. Imagine gliding alongside majestic sea turtles, playful dolphins, and schools of colorful fish darting around you. Yes, it's a diver's dream come true. Fernando de Noronha isn't just about the underwater beauty. The island's untouched beaches and stunning landscapes will sweep you off your feet. It's a place where nature reigns supreme, and every moment feels magical. So pack your gear, book your trip, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Dive into Fernando de Noronha, where every dive tells a story. Your ultimate diving paradise awaits. Stay tuned to explore the underwater wonders of Fernando de Noronha.